Hi everyone, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a project I made for my Pinterest inspired collaboration with ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha. I will post a link below this video so you can head on over, check out her channel, show her some YouTube love. But her and I decided we love a lot of Pinterest projects, and to get going on some of them that we've always wanted to make, we decided to collaborate and choose some projects together. So this week we were to do a kind of coffee themed or an apple cider themed greeting card. And then attached to the greeting card somehow we were supposed to have a bookmark. So I did see one on Pinterest that I loved, and I'll try and pull it up for you now so y'all can see it. And then you'll know kind of where I got my inspiration from. I loved the colors in this card. Thought it was so cute. And here it is. This one was an apple cider card. You can see the to-go coffee cup and just the blues and the oranges, and I just really love the colors in this card. Now I don't have a stamp or a die to do coffee cups. I do have teacups though. But in this paper pad, which is Pumpkin Spice by Recollections, I got this I think last year or the year before. I love this paper. It has blues, oranges, creams, all kinds of colors. But in this paper pad, there was this coffee cup here. And it said, "Hello, Fall." So I cut that out, and I used some other papers from this collection. And this is how my card turned out. I fussy cut or just cut out the coffee mug, and then I popped it up on foam to give it dimension. The paper, I used orange cardstock for the card, the base of the card. And the paper, I did a little bit of glitter accent to it, just to kind of spruce it up a little. So that's the front of the card, and this is the inside. And my bookmark is attached to this side of the card. Just pull up my little ribbon here. Isn't that cute? This came, it says, "It's fall, y'all." And this came from a piece of border paper, and I just cut it this way. And then all along the edge here, I went in and I perforated it with my Spellbinders tool. It's what like two tools in one. You use this for your dice area, and it also has this pokey tool, whatever you want to call it, on this end. And I went all the way down and I poked little holes in it so that they would know, you know, cut along the perforated line, or they could probably tear it off, but I would think to cut it. And anyway, it's attached. And then on the inside I wrote, "So thankful you're in my life, wishing you autumn blessings." And then I stamped little leaves here. So that's how my card turned out. And then I used orange gingham and a little bit of twine to make a bow there. And I just kind of folded that over so that I can close my card and they won't actually see the bookmark. Now when I actually sign the card, I will put a little note, you know, cut along the perforated line for your bookmark. But that's it. That's how my card and my bookmark turned out. And if you guys want me to do a tutorial on this card, I gladly will. Just leave some comments in, you know, below this video, and I'll get one done for you. But it was pretty easy, pretty simple to put together. And see, I didn't want this sticking out, so I just kind of kept that loose so I could bend that down and fold it in. So anyway, thank you, Misha, for challenging me so much and doing this collaboration with me. I love it. I love that we're finally doing some of the projects we've always wanted to do on Pinterest. And in 2 weeks, due on, let me check the date, I think September 29th, we're to do a terracotta gumball, or terracotta gumball like candy dish with like one of these glass, like one of these terracotta pots here, which I've already started mine. I'm going to do into a Frankenstein theme. So definitely join, come back in 2 weeks to see that project completed. And like I said, if you want to see a tutorial on this, just leave me some comments below and I'll get one done for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and have a great night.